Guru Prasad Sandeep Shinde. I am from 9th A. Today I am gonna show you my maths model project. The subject is bar graph. A bar chart or a bar graph is a chart or a graph that represents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the values that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. A vertical bar chart, sometimes called a column chart. In this, the one unit is 10 students. In art activity club, there are 40 students. This is the art column, so we will take it on 40.
First, you explain X.
This is x-axis and this is y-axis. There are number of children and one unit is equal to 10 students. In art club, there are 40 students. So this is the art club column. So we will take it to the 40. After that, we have dance.
Number of children 40.
Number of children 40.
40. You make a bar up to 40, na?
Up to 40. After
Show
that,
me proper.
After that, in activity club of dance, there are 90 students. So we will take the column till 90 degree. Means 90 students. In sculpture club, there are 20 students. So we will take it on 20. In literary, there are 50 students. So we will take it to 50. And in drama club, there are 10 students. We will take it to 10. Till here. And in poem recitation, there are 15 students. So here is not 15. So we will take it in the middle of 10 and 20.
Thank you.
My name is Guru Prasad Sandeep Shinde. Today I am gonna show you my maths model project of Pythagoras theorem. In this, we first gonna roll this to upside, and it is a 9, means it is building a 90 degree angle. In this 90 degree angle, this is the protractor, this is the base, the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. We use the hypotenuse in the Pythagoras theorem. The theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus b square. We use this type of theorem in right angle triangle, circles, and such types of other triangles.
Very good. Nice project.
Good morning, teachers and my friends. We all know maths is needed in our life. We have to know subtraction, addition, division, square roots, cube roots. This is our basic methods of maths. For preparing this, I had made a squares model. First, I had taken one cardboard and cut it. Then I take one small circle and a thread. Then I put it like this, and then I take a scissor and I cut it like this, and then I wrote the squares in it. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. Thank you.
माझं नाव जान्हवी विजय जाधव. मी 8वीला आहे. माझा हाजरी क्रमांक 14.
माझं नाव जान्हवी नवनाथ कवळे. मी 8वीला आहे. माझा हाजरी क्रमांक 20.
तर आम्ही हा मॅथ्स मॉडेल बनवला आहे. तर या प्रोजेक्टचं नाव आहे मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इन्व्हर्सेस ऑफ. तर आम्ही ह्या प्रोजेक्टसाठी साहित्य यूज केलं आहे. 2 कार्डबोर्ड, त्याला 12 सेंटीमीटर सर्कलने कट केलं आहे. एक स्क्रू, पाईप आणि सिमेंट आणि एक प्लॅस्टिकची बॉटल. तर आम्ही पहिले एका प्लॅस्टिकच्या बॉटलमध्ये सिमेंट ओलं करून ते पहिलं सुकवून घेतलं. नंतर आम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये पाईप लावला. नंतर आम्ही 2 सर्कल्स कट करून ते स्क्रूने जॉईन केले आहे. आणि त्याच्या आतमध्ये आम्ही लिहिलं आहे मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इन्व्हर्सेस ऑफ -1 इज 1 अपॉन -1.
2/5 is 5/2.
Multiplicative inversion of 15/56 is 56/15. Next one.
Multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1/5.
Multiplicative inverse of -13 is 1 -13.
-1.
Multiplicative inverse of -1 is
Multiplicative inverse of -1 is 1 upon -1. Thank you.
Okay.
My name is Vignesh Shamrao Patil. I am studying in 8th standard, roll number 31.
My name is Omkar Bashwar Kole and I am studying in 8th standard. My roll number is 19.
मैंने 2 कार्डबोर्ड लिए A4 साइज़ के. बाद में उसमें हो अंदर में इस पे होल मारा छोटा सा 5 सेंटीमीटर का, दोनों साइड में सेम किया. और फिर अंदर का सर्कल में 7 सेंटीमीटर और 10 सेंटीमीटर का लिया. अंदर का सर्कल्स और बाहर की मेजरमेंट भी सेम वैसे ही ली, 16 सेंटीमीटर एंड 22 सेंटीमीटर्स. और पीछे की 22 और 31 सेंटीमीटर्स लिया. बाद में मैंने नंबर्स लाइंस कट किया ठीक से और नंबर्स लिखा सब. फिर ये भी बनाए, कलर भी लगे.
Name of the project.
मैक्स स्क्वायर्स. one square is 1, 2 square is 4,
Show me properly.
3 square is 9,
Huh.
3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 12 square is 100. Thank you.
Standard 8, roll number 27, Division A.
My name is Raj Babula Dubey, Standard 8, Division A, roll number 8. The project name is multiplications numbers. First we take a box and make 3 square holes. Afterward we cut craft paper and stick on the box. Afterwards we make 4 holes and push then we take 2 pipes and push into the circle hole. And we make the chart and stick on the pipes and it's rotating.
In multiplication, plus into plus is equal to plus. In multiplication, plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 8 into minus 4 is equal to minus 32. Minus 9 into 6 is equal to minus 54. Minus 6 into 5, minus 6 into minus 5 is equal to 30.
+30. You correct it. +30. Minus into minus plus, na?